8 दिन में 5 देशों की यात्रा के बाद पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी भारत वापस लौट चुके हैं। The 5-nation visit from July 2 to 9 was his longest foreign tour in 10 years. But did you know what are the key takeaways of the Prime Minister's visit? We'll tell you about that in this video. तो 5 देशों की पीएम मोदी की यात्रा शुरू हुई घाना से, जहां पर 3 दशकों में पहली बार भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने राजकीय दौरा किया। The bilateral ties between the two countries were elevated to a comprehensive partnership during PM Modi's visit. इंडिया और घाना के बीच 4 MOUs भी साइन किए गए। These MOUs relate to culture and Ayurveda among others. पीएम मोदी ने घाना की पार्लियामेंट के स्पेशल सेशन को भी एड्रेस किया। He became the first Indian Prime Minister to do so. घाना के बाद पीएम मोदी पहुंचे ट्रिनिडाड एंड टोबैगो। This was the first bilateral visit by an Indian Prime Minister to the country since 1999. TNT में पीएम मोदी ने इंडियन डायस्पोरा के कार्यक्रम में शिरकत की, जहां पर उन्होंने भारतीय समुदाय के एक विशाल समूह को संबोधित किया। पीएम मोदी addressed the joint session of the Parliament of Trinidad and Tobago as well. ऐसा करने वाले वो पहले भारतीय प्रधानमंत्री बने। A total of 6 MOUs and agreements were signed between the two countries in areas like culture, sports and education among others. इसके अलावा दोनों पक्षों की तरफ से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट्स भी किए गए। While PM Modi made announcements like extension of OCI card facility to the 6th generation of Indian community members in TNT, gifting of 2,000 laptops to school students in TNT, etc., TNT announced that it is joining India's global initiatives, the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, that is CDRI, and the Global Biofuels Alliance, GBA. अब बारी आती है अर्जेंटीना की। This was the first bilateral visit by an Indian PM after a gap of 57 years. PM Modi met President Javier Milei in restricted and delegation level formats. The Prime Minister thanked President Milei for his strong condemnation of the barbaric terrorist attack in Pahalgam and appreciated Argentina's solidarity with India in the fight against terrorism. PM Modi then travelled to Brazil for the 17th BRICS summit, which was followed by a state visit. The Prime Minister advanced India's vision at the summit in Rio de Janeiro, advocating for a truly representative global order, voicing concerns of the global south, and speaking on pressing issues like climate finance, technology, AI, and reforms in global institutions. He also held crucial bilateral meetings on the sidelines of Malaysia, Cuba, Bolivia, and Uruguay to strengthen India's partnerships. Rio de Janeiro के बाद PM मोदी पहुंचे ब्राजीलिया for the first state visit by an Indian PM in nearly 6 decades. PM मोदी ने प्रेसिडेंट लुइस इनासियो लूला डा सिल्वा के साथ मीटिंग की. The two leaders formalized key areas of cooperation through signing of 6 MOUs and agreements in areas like agriculture, renewable energy, etc. अपनी यात्रा के अंतिम पड़ाव के लिए पीएम मोदी नामीबिया की स्टेट विजिट पर पहुंचे। This was the first prime ministerial visit to the country after 27 years. PM Modi held talks with President Dr. Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah to boost ties and oversaw the exchange of 2 MOUs in the fields of entrepreneurship, health and medicine. The Prime Minister also addressed the Parliament of Namibia. इस सब के अलावा पांचों देशों में पीएम मोदी का खासा सम्मान भी किया गया। Almost every time he visits a foreign land, the Prime Minister brings more honor and accolades to the nation. Now let's see the awards which were bestowed on PM Modi during his 5-nation visit. PM Modi was conferred with the National Honor of Ghana, Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana in recognition of his distinguished statesmanship and influential global leadership. Trinidad and Tobago ने भी PM मोदी को अपने हाईएस्ट नेशनल अवार्ड द ऑर्डर ऑफ द रिपब्लिक ऑफ ट्रिनिडाड एंड टोबैगो से नवाजा। PM मोदी is the first foreign leader to be conferred with this award. In Argentina, the Prime Minister was conferred with the key to the city of Buenos Aires. Brazil also bestowed its highest national honor, the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross on PM Modi. Namibia ने भी PM मोदी को अपने हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड, ऑर्डर ऑफ द मोस्ट एंशिएंट वेलविस्टिया मिराबिलिस से सम्मानित किया। If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family.